we're going to look at some dilution fridges I created, and these are available on Wikipedia. You can look at Wikimedia Commons and then look for OJB Quantum and then go to user uploads. And then you'll see this page here. Everything is in really high resolution, all the way up to 32K resolution. So I would say this is useful for quantum education, both in English and in Navajo. So I'll read this to you. Tade nes na dim bitch ko na al kid Kelvin da azja. And then, so that's for 300 Kelvin, 40 Kelvin. This dim bitch ko na al kid Kelvin da azja. And then 4 Kelvin. D bitch ko na al kid Kelvin da azja. 1.2 Kelvin or 1200 millikelvin. T'atlae de mil yaje doba an al kid. Nes na dim bitch ko na al kid Kelvin milligo da azja. And then the next one is 100 millikelvin or 0.1 Kelvin. T'atlae nes na dim bitch ko na al kid Kelvin milligo da azja. And then 10 millikelvin or 0.01 Kelvin, which is Nesna Pichko na al kid Kelvin milligo da azja. So, one more thing I forgot to mention while I was pronouncing these is that this looks like an apostrophe when in reality this is kind of like a glottal stop. So they are sometimes used interchangeably in the literature, but if you want to be more consistent, I would say it's better to stick with this glottal stop symbol that we have in Navajo. So in the future, I may add some correction to this, but that's something you would only notice as a linguist and as a writer of Navajo language. So there you go. All right, so we can actually have a look at the poster. So if I zoom in, or zoom out, I should say, zoom out and look at the poster itself. So this says quantum computing hardware in Navajo, the Nebizad. So these are the different cryogenic platforms labeled in Navajo, explained, and then cryogenic wiring in Navajo, quantum devices in Navajo, quantum chips in Navajo, quantum mechanics in Navajo, quantum amplifier in Navajo, and then the rest of the dilution fridge in Navajo with all the parts labeled.